Hi my friend, welcome back to our reading and spelling class with Miss Anita. I am so excited to have you here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn a new spelling strategy. We are going to learn the Y to I changing rule. What does that mean? We are going to learn when do we change letter Y to I before we add the suffixes. Remember what I told you about suffixes? We need to remember them. We need to know them because they really determine how we spell certain words. All right. Can we recap on the common suffixes we already know? Let's go. S or Z, ES, ED to show the past tense, ING to show that it's happening now, ER to compare things or items, and EST and so many others. Now friend, sometimes you have to change letter Y to I before you add any of these suffixes. How do you know? Well, the answer is simple. You have to pay attention to the letter before the Y at the end. Is it a consonant? If it's a consonant, you have to change that Y to I before you add a suffix. If it's a vowel, the letter before the Y, you don't have to change the Y, just add the suffix. And when we are adding suffix ing, the Y does not change. Alright, let's have some practice by adding suffixes to these words. Alright, read for me this word. Let's go. K, A, R, E. Carry. What is the past tense of carry? Carried. Okay, that means we are going to add suffix ed to show its past tense. We have a problem. The word ends in Y. What should we do? Okay, let's make good use of these rules. Is it a consonant? What are they talking about? They are talking about the letter before the Y at the end. So every time you have to pay attention to the letter before the Y at the end. If it's a consonant, we change the Y to I. Is R a consonant or a vowel? It's a consonant. What does that mean? It means we are going to change the Y to I and then add suffix ed. What will our new word be? K, A, R. The Y has been changed to I and then add the suffix ed. Great. Okay. What happens if the letter before Y is a vowel? Is it a vowel? Just add the suffix. Okay, let's read the word. A. Okay, let's pay attention to the letter before the Y at the end. Which letter is this? Letter A. Is it a vowel? Yes, it is. What does the rule tell us? If it's a vowel, just add the suffix. We want to write the word pray in past tense. What is it? It is prayed. Okay. Rule says if it's a vowel, just add ed. Do not change the Y. Why? Because the letter before the Y is a vowel. Okay. The rule also says that when adding suffix ing to any of the words ending in Y, the Y does not change. You just add ing. Let's read this word. Marrying. You get the point? If it's a consonant, change the Y to I and then add any of the suffixes. If the letter before the Y at the end is a vowel, just add any of the suffixes. If you want to add suffix ing to any word ending in y, do nothing with the y. Just add ing. Great. Okay. I hope you get the point. Change the y to I if the letter before the y is a consonant. Okay? Do not change the y to I if the letter before the y is a vowel. If you're adding ing to any of the words ending with y, just add ing. Don't do anything with the base word, or don't do anything to the y. Alright? Okay. This is your practice. I want you to spend some time reading these words. Pay attention to the changes. Happy plus er, it becomes happier. Note that the y was changed into I, and then we added er to read it as happier. Angry plus er became angrier. We changed the y to I and added the suffix ei because the letter before the y is r, which is a consonant. Alright, have a go at reading those words. After that, this is your practice. Reply plus ed. You have tried the new word, replied. Look at the letter before the y. It's L. L is a consonant. What happens to y? First change it to I and then add ed. Okay? Alright. Have a go at your reading activity, and then after that, I want you to have a go at your spelling task. Thanks for watching.